you add in 1/3 of flour, self-raising because it's Irish pancakes and we want them to have like little bubbles in, just like crumpets. Then you put in sugar as much as you think to taste. I always use caster because I find that it creates enough bubbles. I then use 2 eggs, and then I top up with some milk, whole milk, and I mix that around until it's like this really thick paste. Okay, once you've got it to that consistency, then you add in more milk. And stir it. Once that milk is incorporated, what I do is I melt some butter in a pan, and then once it's melted and slightly cooled, I add it into this batter mixture. Okay, so what I've done now is I've left the batter just for about 10 minutes, just covered, and can you see it's got like bubbles forming in it? That's what we want. Also, I've added a pinch of salt and I've topped up with a little bit more of the milk. In the pan, I've got some butter melting. And what I want to do is just get it so it's not too hot. So I just want the pan to melt the butter and also coat the pan. Once I've got to the point where the butter's melted, I can add that melted butter to the batter. And then return the pan back on to the heat. Okay, so now my butter is melted. I've also done this more traditional pancake pan. So you can see a larger round one being put there. Okay, so I've made sure that all of the butter is melted and it's a good temperature. Now what I'm going to do is in this pan, I'm going to make little ones. Those. And in the other pan, I'm going to do one large one.